Welcome back to our Master JavaScript course. In this video, we will continue our exploration of essential JavaScript string methods. As we dive further in the world of the string, we will gain a deep understanding how effectively manipulate and transform text data. Let's pick up where we left off and cover more string methods. The index of method helps you to find the first occurrence of substring within a string, while the last index of does the same thing but starts searching from the end of the string. Includes method. Check whether a substring is present with a string and return a boolean value. To check if the string starts or ends with a specific string, use the starts with and ends with methods. The match method uses a regular expression to search for matches in a string and return an array of matches. The match all method is used to find all the matches of a regular expression in a string. Unlike a match, which return an array of matches, match all return an iterator that allow you to iterate through matches with their capture groups. The final method in this video is the repeat method that's used to create a string by repeating the original string with a specific number of times. At the end, I would like to thank you and say you have expanded your knowledge of JavaScript string methods. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up and stay tuned for more content and subscribe. Happy coding and see you in the next one.